What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Scoop. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be trying out this tire dressing that I got from AutoZone. A friend of mine recommended this, that I use this on my car. It says cover all. It covers the tires and the interior dressing. No wipes, no drips, no runs, no mess. So I'm gonna try it out on my tires first. I just washed my car, and you can tell the tires are kind of dry, the Pirelli tires. So I'm gonna try this dressing out and see how it works. Cause most dressings, tire dressings I put on my car, they don't last too long, and it causes my tires to actually get dirtier. Like I said, if you guys want to try this out, it's called Cover All, and I got it from AutoZone. You can take your local AutoZone. I think I got it for like probably like $4 or $5. It's kind of high, so I'm gonna see how good does it work. So I'm gonna put a first coat on there, and I'm gonna let you guys see what it looks like. All right, guys, I put the first coat on there. It was kind of hard to put it on here and hold the phone at the same time. But as you can see, it got my tires shiny. So I'm gonna see how long this gonna last. Will it last like a week, 2 weeks, hopefully 3 weeks or longer? Like I said, I got this from AutoZone, and you guys can go to your local AutoZone and get some. Cover All, and I'm gonna try it on my inside as well. I'm gonna go ahead and put some on my back tire. Let's see. You want to make sure you before you put the tire dressing on there, you want to make sure it's dry. Your tires are dry. You don't want to have any excess water left from your wash. So you want to go ahead and wipe your tires down. Check out those Brembos. And while I got you guys' attention, I noticed another thing another problem I ran into. As you can see on my carbon fiber stripes, it's kind of ashy right here. I took my car to a local car wash, and they actually put some kind of banana wax on my car, on the stripes, and they put it on the car also, but they wasn't supposed to put it on the stripes, so it kind of made my stripes a little ashy. So if you guys know something that I can get it out with, just let me know down below in the comments. Like, I tried to wash this at least 2 or 3 times, and it still hasn't come out. So I guess if you want something done right, you have to do it yourself. Like I said, I took it to a local car wash, and they hand wash cars. They claim to be the best in the city. They end up messing up my stripes. All right, now I'm gonna take you guys on the inside, and I'm gonna put some of this Cover All on the inside of my interior and see how I do. All right, guys, so I'm on the inside of my car, and I got the Cover All with me, and I'm gonna actually spray it on my dashboard and see what it works on my dashboard. It says it works on interior surfaces as well. So I'm gonna test a little bit out on a small area. I'm gonna use a microfiber towel, and it's actually dust free, and it won't scratch your surface or your car either. So I'm gonna give it a little rub in. I don't know, it actually left a little stain right here. I'm thinking of rub it in some more. I don't know if you guys can see that. But it says you can use it for tire and interior dressing. Stays where it's sprayed. This formulation provides the best durability and gloss unlike the others. Leaves a waterproof, shiny coat along with lasting protection. Compare it yourself, it's the best. Spray on dried out dashes. Spray on dried out dashes, faded seats, etc. for lustrous, high gloss finish. Let penetrate for 20 seconds, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so I think it's safe on here. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on a bigger area. Move my mask. It didn't turn out too bad, like I thought it was. Huh? He what? Okay, I'll be in a minute. Sorry guys, that's my kids over there trying to come outside. All right guys, so that's it for today's video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for me, and I'll catch you guys on another video. Peace.